Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually just some house cleaning and delete both these lines. Yes, both those lines still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible, and we'll just keep focused on kind of the nearer term level. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. If you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $7.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $7.25, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 725 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Thursday? First key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at the $7.60 mark. So $7.60 initial level of resistance. All right, so here are some annotations from a long time ago when I did it. So let's actually go to the daily time frame because it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So this is definitely a good problem to have. Oh, wow. So as you see there. All right. Well, I think I'm just going to go ahead and call it. Yeah, just flat out blue sky breakout if it can break up above, the highs right there at right around $7.60. So break at 760 puts it in a blue sky breakout. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of chipping away with the higher bases and higher highs, that is the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.